Oh, let's see it. Subject is followed by 不要 followed by verb. 我不要见她。我不要见她。I'm not going to see her. I wouldn't like to see her. It is expressed, don't want, no need, indicated, with very strong personal emotion. 我不要见她。Subjective followed by 要 followed by verb. This pattern can be rude, but it's not as inherently rude as it may seem when translated directly into English. Subjective followed by 不想 followed by verb. 我不想见她。I don't want to see her. I would like to see her. It is expressed, don't want just in his mind. Finally, maybe he see her or maybe not. So it is different between 不想 and 不要. You get it? 他们春节要回家吗？ Are they going to back to home in the Chinese New Year? 他们春节要回家吗？他们春节想回家吗？他们春节想回家吗？ Do they want to go back home in Chinese New Year? Haven't make any decision. Don't know which day. Don't buy tickets. Haven't take action. Let's see this dialogue. 这个周末你们要出去玩吗？ Are you going to outing this weekend? 这个周末你们要出去玩吗？ The answer. 我们得加班，不能出去玩了。我们得加班，不能出去玩了。We have to work overtime, cannot go anywhere. 我们得加班，不能出去玩了。Let's see 想 instead of 要。The question, 这个周末你们想出去玩吗？ The answer, 想，但是我们得加班，不能出去。Yes, we have to work overtime, cannot go anywhere. 想，但是我们得加班，不能出去。I like to explain a little bit here. In this situation, the two questions, one is use 要, one is use 想. No matter you want or are you going to do, eventually you cannot make it come true. You just need answer with the result, and you can give the reason. The second, I like to explain here. The dialogue with this situation like somebody going to go somewhere, but unexpected things happen. So they have to change the plan. The tone and the mood is with a little bit pity. 想，但是我们得加班，不能出去了。Okay, maybe you have found we don't say 我们不要出去 or we don't say 我们没要出去. The patterns like subjective followed by 没要 followed by verb or by noun, or subjective followed by 不要 or followed by verb or noun means we never have this plan, or we don't want to go somewhere, or we don't want to do something at the beginning with very strong personal emotion, as we mentioned before. In this video, we practice 想 and 要 followed by verb. Compare with them together. Hope this video can help you to know how to use the 想 and 要 to accurately express what you want or what you are thinking. Next video, we will practice together 想要. See you then.